back to another video with Jessie. Today I'm gonna be doing a Valentine's look. No, wait. Today I'm gonna be doing your dick appointment makeup look for Valentine's. Yeah, we all know it's gonna be for your dick appointment. You know what I'm talking about. So, if you're single, then tápate las orejas. So Valentine's is around the corner, and I'm gonna create a look that anybody can do. It's easy to do, easy to follow. It's gonna be bing bam boom bada boom, and you're ready. You're gonna look stunning. So I'm gonna do off my eyebrows. I'm gonna do them off camera. So I'll be back, guys. Okay, I'm back. And what I'm gonna do is grab my concealer, and I am gonna put it all over my eyelid. Lately I've been doing this, and then just set it with eyeshadow, and it's been working for me, and it just makes my eyeshadow pop. Okay, and then I'm gonna set it with Violet Voss, this shade right here, Thanks a Latte, and I'm gonna set it. And I'm gonna do it all over the lid, on both eyes. Okay, with that same brush, I'm gonna go with this shade right here, and it's called Transition, like right above the crease and below the eyebrow, right here. Okay, that's good. And for my next shade, okay, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe palette, 35M. I'm gonna use the shade Candy Crush right here. And you wanna go lightly, right where that transition shade is. It's like a pink mauve color, and it's a beautiful shade. Like this. And I'm gonna go back with that transition shade that I used from the Violet Voss and go over it on top to blend in. Then I'm gonna darken it a little bit, and I'm gonna use Vampy Vixen, the shade right here. I'm gonna put this right on the outer corner of the crease and on the crease. And same as the other eye. Okay. This. Let's go with this soft look for Valentine's. I'm gonna use Kitten Karma from Stila, and I'm gonna add it right here. And I don't want to add too much because I want it to be a little pop of glam, but yet a subtle look. I'm gonna add it under your crease. See, it's not too much, but a little pop of glam. So lately I've been using this Cover FX primer, and I mix it in with a little bit of the Professional primer as well. So I add a little bit, like this much, a little bit more I like. And then my Cover FX, much. Then I'm gonna mix it in with my fingers and put it here. This is where I have pores the most. And then you could start doing the foundation, and I'm using medium foundation stick from Tarte. And what I like to do is just do this. Grab Born This Way. I'm in the shade Natural Beige, and I like to blend it with the foundation stick. So today's not Valentine's. I told my husband, well, I'm getting fucking ready. You better take me out. I'm not getting ready just to walk to the sala and sit there. So we're going out to dinner. Like, everybody has to see my fucking makeup. Like, why the fuck you do your makeup if nobody's gonna see you? Or it will go to like waste. That's what I think. Ooh, I like it. Not too glam. It's like a little pop of glam and a little subtle, but still cute.
Myself. I'm feeling myself.
And then I'm gonna grab my concealer and I am gonna highlight the high points of my cheeks, cupid's bow, chin, my nose, and my 5 head. I like to use my beauty blender. This is from Morphe, and I like to use this side to blend in the concealer. Okay, lately what I've been doing this part is bringing it down just a little bit like this and then blending it out. This is good. Ta-da! And then I'm gonna go in with my NYX Total Control. Grab this dark shade specifically when I contour, and I love it so far. Like, I've been doing this like as my daily routine. Ooh, this is so cute. How about that? Ta-da! Okay, and the beauty of the blender, I like to do this. Just pounce it, and it gives me a cute contour. So subtle yet so cute. I love it. Okay, see? Cute contour. And then I'm gonna go in with my banana powder from Makeup Revolution. Is add here. I do not contour my nose because I have a big nose, and when I try to contour it, it makes my nose look super big, and I don't like my nose. And this helps me, I guess, to make my nose seem a little slimmer. Shizzle my nizzle, my contour. Okay, while that bakes a little bit, I'm gonna take my Tarte Hotel High Wrist, go over that contour. Just to kind of set it, I guess. I've been doing this and I love it. It works for me. Just contour. Just do you, boo. Do you. Okay, what I like to do next is brush off all the powder off my face. So what happened is I got a little bit of that NYX, and it went here and I didn't notice, and I set it and now it's stuck there. Oh God. It's okay, it's not the end of the world. Still look cute though. I forgot to set my forehead. Set my 5 head. Oh my God, I just dropped my whole banana powder. It's okay. The husband will buy more. We're gonna add some color back to our face, and I'm gonna use I've been obsessing over this blush. They're affordable, like super affordable, and they're from NYX. Oh my God, I love these. They're kind of ombre. There it goes. There it goes. Look how this is so cute, guys. Highly recommend. And look at this one. Perfect for summer. So these 2 shades are gorgeous, and I'm gonna use this one, the Strictly Chic, and it's from NYX, guys. So I'm gonna add that and put it in our cheeks. Add some color back into our skin. Oh my God, how gorgeous is this? I love it. Whew. Then I am gonna work on the bottom lash line, and I am gonna go in with that Morphe palette again. Morphe palette, Candy Crush, and Vampy Vixen, and I'm gonna use it for my under eye. I'm gonna use Morphe E36, and it's, oh, I keep dropping everything. And I'm gonna take that shade Candy Crush and put it under the lash line Ooh, she looking cute. And I'm gonna take that Vampy Vixen. And then I'm gonna grab another fluffy brush and blend everything up. It's just a big, with no product on it. And blend it out. How is that looking? Oh, I like it so far. I dropped it. I'm not picking it up. So next, I am gonna grab my Ardell lashes, and I'm gonna use 252. But before that, I'm gonna add a little bit of eyeliner. When you put those lashes, you can't tell you're wearing them. They blend in with your eyelashes. And I'm gonna make a very thin eyeliner. I'm gonna stop right there, because that's where I'm gonna place my lashes. Like this, and then I'm gonna add my lash. How about that? And then you could add some mascara on your lashes to blend it in with your other lashes. So far, I've been liking the It Cosmetics mascara, and it's called Superhero. It's good. Just a little bit. Bottom lashes too. I like this. This is my favorite one because it makes my lashes look spidery. I'm dropping everything. Oh my god. Fuck, man. Like, I barely have any lashes. I think these have like microfibers in them to make your lashes longer. And this works for me. It's bomb. And yes. You see? Okay. Is cute or not? Okay, and then I'm gonna do the inner corner. With the inner corner, I am gonna do with the Violet Voss. I'm gonna use Ploof, this shade right here, in my inner corner, right here. I'm gonna use my NYX pencil liner and gonna line my inner eyes. So you just wanna go subtle. This is it. If you wanna add some highlight, you can. If not, it's cool. But I'm digging this look without no highlight. Should I highlight? Let's do our lips. And for the lips, I'm gonna line them. Maybelline Shaping Lip Liner. And it's in the shade Beige Babe. So we're gonna line our lips with this. And I'm not good at lining lips, but I'm gonna try. Ooh. It's my first time using lip liner, and it's smooth as fuck. Highly recommend. Oh my god, it glides on. I think I'm gonna use this for overall my whole lip. I like this shade. He wants to be in the video. Say hi, everybody. Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to Mommy's video.
I like a video.
Good job. High five. Oh, I like the shade. You can wear it like this, guys, basically. But I'm gonna add a lacquer, and it's from Maybelline as well, and it's in the shade Charmer. It just makes you glow. So if you want to add some highlight, you can. I'm in love. It's subtle, yes, with a little glitz, not too much. And this color, I love it. What do you guys think? I just have to change for my dinner date because I need to show off this makeup look. But look. So this is the finished look, guys. So I love it. Hope you like this video and you're ready for your dick appointment. Babe,
Hi.
come here.
Hi.
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 How do you like my dick appointment look?
Your what?
Dick appointment look for Valentine. Yeah, for Valentine's.
Your dick appointment?
I have a dick appointment with you. That's what everybody does on Valentine's.
Daddy.
But you like it? It's cute, right? So like and subscribe. See you in the next video, guys. So I forgot to add setting spray, and I'm gonna do it right now. So my dumbass forgot to dust off the banana powder on my forehead, and I went out to dinner looking like that. OMG, dust it off, guys. I think I got way too excited of making this video that I completely forgot. Okay, I'm going basic. There, I'm just wearing jeans and a white tee. That's done. All right, bye guys.